Are you dealing with foot pain and discomfort caused by flat feet? You're not alone. In this video, we'll explore the best ways to fix flat feet and improve your quality of life. Stay tuned to learn how you can take control of your foot health and prevent future injuries. At KloudStep, we team up with foot health experts to bring exceptional content to our community. Stay tuned and enjoy this valuable information. Flat feet is a common condition among the world population and happens frequently in cases where the arches of the feet suffer too much pressure and suddenly flatten. Our feet are the base of our body, and the midfoot, which includes the arch, supports the entire structure and plays an important role in stability, power production, and dissipation of forces through the foot surface. Understanding the role of the arch of the foot, you can conclude that not having a proper arch will affect massively your daily life and quality of life in the future. People who suffer from flat feet sooner or later will trigger secondary problems with this condition. The most typical pathology related to flat feet is plantar fasciitis, which occurs when the feet are dealing with a huge amount of load, and that happens easily in people who don't have an arch. Flat feet can provoke complications in other joints because the foot is usually overpronated, which is when the ankles roll inward. There's no definitive fix to this condition, as it never completely goes away. What healthcare providers can do is to teach how to deal with flat feet if they cause trouble in your daily life, or to prevent injuries due to this condition. First, it's crucial to understand if you already have pain or if you're seeking us for preventive work. If you already have pain in your heel or midfoot, have pain walking, standing, or running, and if it's harming your day-to-day life, the right move is to look for help. The best treatment option for flat feet is providing support to your arch, lost by fallen arches, and strengthening your feet and ankle joint. Some of the treatments your doctor may suggest can be painkillers, physical therapy, adequate exercise and nutrition strategies, wearing proper footwear for flat feet, wearing insoles or braces. Without pain, the approach we follow is a bit different because generally, people will look for us if they notice that the foot has changed, and sometimes they find it weird to lose the arch. In this situation, we will advise you of what this condition is, signals that something is wrong, other problems that may appear, and what to do. After educating the patient about flat feet, and since there is no pain, we can jump some steps towards our goal. In this particular case, we will advise you on what shoe to buy and what type of shoe you should avoid, and recommend the use of insoles. The next step is to improve your foot mobility, strengthen the area, and improve stability. After you're on the desired levels of strength and balance, you're cleared out. You should be as active as possible, maintaining this preventive work recommended by your physio throughout time. Flat feet are not a fixable condition. They are not reversible, but there's some work you can do to prevent injuries or problems related to this and have a good quality of life. Remember that preventive work is essential to maintain your feet's health and functionality, avoiding pain, injuries, and problems related to flat feet. In conclusion, flat feet is a common condition that can cause various problems if left unattended. The arch of the foot plays a crucial role in the stability, power production, and dissipation of forces through the foot surface. People with flat feet are more susceptible to developing plantar fasciitis and other joint-related complications due to overpronation. While there is no definitive fix for flat feet, healthcare providers can teach patients how to manage and prevent problems related to this condition. Treatment options may include painkillers, physical therapy, proper footwear, insoles or braces, and strengthening exercises. It's important to seek help if you have pain or notice changes in your foot structure to prevent complications. Preventive work is crucial to maintaining good foot health and functionality, and to avoid pain, injuries, and other problems related to flat feet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your journey against foot pain in the comments below. Make sure to visit KloudStep.com to explore our products and gain access to exclusive content created by our team of experts. You'll find the link in the description below.